I'm Sophia and I'm a designer for Kindred Bravely, and today I'll be showing you how to fix the scratchy straps on our Sublime Hands-Free Pumping Bra in our Oops Factory second sale. You may experience some scratchiness on the back of the bra where the back strap meets this O-ring on the inside of the strap, right where this seam is here. And there are two fixes for this. The first, you can take a BandAid or moleskin. This is just a standard sized BandAid, and take the wrapper off and wrap it where you feel any scratchiness or irritation. I'm wrapping it right over this seam here, and that will leave your strap nice and smooth against your skin. Another option is to take a nail file and file the seam for a couple minutes or until you feel that the seam is smooth. If you have any questions on sizing, please reach out to our customer care team, as this is a final sale item. And make sure you share this with all of your friends, as it's a great deal and we have limited supplies. Thanks.